Hey folks, this is Patrick from NMD Box Breaks. I'm coming here with a review of Fleer Showcase 2016-17 hockey. I'm going to break this open and see what I get. And this will be my first break for my channel. I'll be doing live breaks soon. I'm just trying to set everything up, and let's just do a review here on the Fleer Showcase. It's 18 packs. You can get Austin Matthews, Patrick Laine. A lot of good insert cards come out of this, so let's break this open. The hobby dealer got this pretty good price. Hopefully we can pull a PMG. All right, so let's get going. Let's see what we get. Sorry about the camera. It's a little pretty nice cards. Omiyosi, Bacchus, and look at this right off the bat. Jesse Puljujarvi auto to 299, 42 of 299. Wow, that's pretty nice. Base and base. So I went to a hobby dealer today, purchased this. I don't like really buying retail, but you know, we got Gustav Forsling for the Blackhawks, rookie, out of $5.99. Gustav Forsling. So you get a lot of those card holders in here. So I'm looking to open up my own store. You know, I've been collecting since you know, we got a red glow Kevin Shattenkirk for the Blues. Since I'm 6 years old, I've been collecting, but I saw other people do the box breaks, and keeps me interested. And I'm gonna try and do something next month or so. We got a Brett Burns San Jose Shark. This is not numbered, but this is pretty cool design. Sedin. We got 18 packs of this, which is pretty cool. The design's pretty good. Wish my camera was a little better. I gotta get a new camera. Zetterberg, Burns, and we got a rookies, Christian Dvorak for the Arizona Coyotes. I mean, if you like the base cards are pretty cool, but I like the previous years better. Alright, Lundqvist, Joe Thornton. What do we got here? A throwback. Troy Murray, the Winnipeg Jets. Guess it's a buyback. Yeah, 15 if you can see it. 15 of 25. Troy Murray, Winnipeg Jets. That's nice. So, hopefully I get this recording done. I think I only get 15 minutes on my recording, so. Palmieri Gibson. We got a rookie again. Tyler Mott of the Blackhawks again. $5.99. Tyler Mott. Stamkos. Vasilevsky. Anthony Mantha. Rookie Fleer Metal. I guess universe. Whatever they call these metal universes. So it seems like you get an insert every pack. We got Jonathan Toews red glow for the Blackhawks. Oh, a lot of Blackhawks. Another red glow, Andrew Ladd of the Islanders. Seth Jones, Brendan Gallagher, Braden Point, Tim Bay, Metal Universe. Like I said, you open up this is my channel now. I gotta update it, put some graphics on it. NMD box breaks. I'll probably be breaking from Breakers TV. Giordano, Scoring King, Corey Perry of the Anaheim Ducks. These are nice designs. It used to be the hardest insert to get. Now I guess it comes common. A couple more packs. Let's see how we do here. Maybe we got a PMG. Blake Wheeler, Duchesne. Oh, look at this. Jack Eichel. This is a Flash Showcase. Very nice insert. So you get a lot of inserts. I guess you have about 18 of them. There's one every pack. We got a green EX St. Louis Blue Vladimir Tarasenko. Very nice. Nice cards. Little acetate. See-through. You get Austin Matthews, Lion A. If you get one of those, you hit a good box. So, I mean, the Bully RB is good. Kane. We got Nick Schmaltz, rookie. Blackhawks. This is a big Blackhawks box. All right. 3 more packs. Cool. Dylan Larkin. Flash Showcase. Two more packs. Here we go. Scoring King, Steven Stamkos, Tampa Bay. And last pack. Taylor Hall, and there you go. We got a Connor McDavid. Metal Universe. Not bad. So that's it. Not bad. 18 packs. Like I said, this NMD box breaks. I'm probably going to be opening up a store very soon. And I'll come to you before I do with a lot more of these boxes. I got a couple boxes coming of Black Diamond. And I just want to review all these products before I start, doing it full time. But I want to thank you. This is a Fleer Showcase review, 2016-17 Upper Deck Fleer Hockey. So, pretty good stuff. All right, have a good one.